Welcome to my video. So let's begin the stationery items of me. So let's start.
Hi friends, today I am going to show you my daughter's stationery collection. Many of the stationery items we have recently purchased. Some are latest which has come in the market. Come on, let's see one by one. Come on, show which is the first one here.
First is the little artist brush pens.
Show the box proper. This is the paint brush. This is called as a pen brush. Means it is useful for the kids when they are doing drawings. Show the back part of the box. Now she will explain how to use it. This is from the Adgel company,
Yeah.
friends, and this you get it in the market,
Yeah.
and it is recently launched. It's really very useful for the kids.
If you ask brush pens, they will do two types. One Camlin company and one this.
Adgel
Camlin
company.
company is only of 5 or 6 packs, and Adgel is of 12 colors, which is more useful. So I will show. There are 12 colors. First is brown, then pink, then purple, then dark blue, then is yellow, light blue, orange, red, grey, dark green, light green, and black color. These are the 12 colors. So I will show you two colors how it works. So this is the thinner side of the brush pen. I will show. It works amazingly. See.
This pen contains two sides. One side is big and one side is small.
See, this
so
is thin.
she has shown using the thinner brush. Now she is going to show using the thicker brush. So you friends, so you can see the difference between this.
This is thin. See, if you write all the lines like this. And this is thick.
So you can use it for decorative writings, and these pens are mostly used when the kids do painting and they need to do bordering. So the kids use sketch pens or gel pens,
Yeah.
but that time those pens they do get spoiled, especially the sketch pen. So these
Pens you can use when the paint is wet also.
so that you can do the bordering very nicely and very
And on
clearly
this
also.
also you can paint. It works amazingly.
So she has used it and it has come out very nice. So this is the latest collection in the stationery item.
See,
So
I'm doing one more color also.
this is the grey color, green color, sorry. So you can very well purchase it for your kids. The kids will definitely love it. Those who are very much fond of painting and drawings, for them this is a wonderful. You can as well as give this as a birthday gift to any of the kids.
Who love to do painting and coloring. And this price costs only 200 rupees, as you can see over here. 200 rupees.
It's of the Adgel company.
Yeah. You get Camlin and Adgel, both companies, this.
Okay, now show the next item in your stationery.
So these are the.
And this is the box. The box has very nice button where after using you can keep it in the box, and you can even take it to your schools or wherever you have any of their drawing competitions or anywhere. You can easily take it.
Yeah.
It will not.
This is called twin tip brush pens.
It is called as
It is ink filled.
ink.
So watercolor effect, without using water you
Show
can.
the box properly.
Without using water you can use watercolor effect. See,
Yeah.
the girl is doing over here also. You can see.
Yeah,
With
friends,
that.
you can see. Hope you can see it.
See, they are already written happy birthday gift also. You can already it is given over here.
Okay.
You
Now
can-
show the next item.
So the next item I am going to show you is
This is my
My-
daughter's. This is my daughter's sequence bag, which she really loves it. Wherever she goes, this bag will be always with her.
and this is shown in my previous video also. So now my next product is this highlighter.
This is a multicolor highlighter, which I have bought it from Amazon, and link
Link
for this item is given in
in
our
the
description
Do
box.
check it out for your kids.
And this highlighter is very wonderful. In this, how many colors are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors.
There are 6 colors. So usually in the school the teachers ask the kids that highlight this sentence, highlight this word. So once the highlighter is finished, again and again the child has to go to the market and purchase it.
Or if they do with pencil, sometimes the pencil no gets broken. You have to again go near the dustbin to sharp. The ma'am tells some important points to mark and then write. Then your time will be wasted in the
So
class.
in this you have multiple colors. So the first color
This
is
yellow, then pink.
then you can very well, once you can take it and you can put it in the bottom part.
You can put whichever
Show
color
how you
want
put
to
it in the bottom part,
See.
and you can fix it, and you can easily take it to your schools or anywhere else.
Then
See,
it is orange,
how is the brush? Show the brush properly.
like this.
The brush is like that. So just show it on the book how it works.
I have written on some things. I will highlight that and
Yeah,
show.
she will highlight it and show.
See, history.
Yeah, it comes out very
Then
nice.
one more color,
Yeah.
and then the blue one, which is very common blue color.
Yeah,
It's
so
common.
these are
And the
this
pink
is,
one.
Yeah, pink one. So
Pink color, most of the kids will like to use pink.
so
and
this is
yellow.
the multi-color highlighter in one set. Means in one part only you get different colors. It has a cap. Show me the cap. See,
It will come with a
It
box
ha-
also.
it has a cap.
So this is very useful.
It is very useful, and
if two colors or one color gets lost also, you don't have to worry to get again and again new. But still you have 5 more. Like that you have 5, 6. So how much gets lost? You have till the 6 all are there. So if you want to
in
each
case in
subject-
school one color
Yeah.
finishes and the child needs it urgently, so she or he can shift it to the bottom part, the finished one, and can use the new one.
and if the child wants that each subject want different highlighters. So 6 colors
Colors.
and 6 subjects you can use. And that will be easier.
This you get it in Amazon. The link will be shared in the description.
Description box.
Come on, now show the next your stationery item.
Let's see what is in next
Next,
stationery item. That is my sharpener.
this is
Many
from
of-
the Omega company.
Yeah, this many of the kids might be using in the school still.
Yeah,
If
or
yes,
mostly
then
these
comment to me who all are using in the school.
mostly
Okay.
these sharpeners I've seen in big offices. But let's see how it works.
Then I will show you one more thing, which is a difference between a normal sharpener and this sharpener. So
What
let's
it-
see what's the difference.
This is the Omega box
I'm opening
company.
it. So this is the box where you have a place to keep the dust.
Where you can store the dust.
So I will show you what is the difference. First I'll show you by sharpening with the normal sharpener. See,
When you use the normal sharpener, usually the dust falls off. See, the dust is falling on her leg. See.
Oh, or you have to get up in the class and go. And if the teacher doesn't allow you to go near the dustbin, then
It is a hell of a job.
Yeah.
Or you have to collect it in your pencil box.
And if you're using a pouch, then it is a hell. Your pouch will get dirty with black and it gets thick. Then you will not be able to remove these, see, from the pencil box. It happened with me the same. And sometimes you are doing, and there are 3-4 colors you have to do for the map marking time and all. Colors you are doing. There are 3-4 colors you have to sharp. Doing. All are teachable. Or it flies when the fan is on. Your friend's table, then they will shout at you. And if you are sitting in first bench, you can go near down and teachers will shout. Why in the classroom there are dirt?
So she wanted to have a sharpener in such a way that even though she sharps, the sharpening dust will not spread here and there. This is the box of the sharpener. It is called as Omega Pencil Sharpener Super. See, the picture shows like this. It has 2 buttons on it, and there is a handle which helps to rotate the pencil. So now she will demonstrate it and show to you. Come on, show how you put the pencil inside. What is the
First you
procedure?
have to do this.
First, one button you have to push.
Push.
There the
Then
blade opens.
You have to,
Then she pushes the pencil inside.
then you have to rotate the pencil. Then you have to pull this. You have to check if inside if this is gone fully. If this doesn't go fully inside, then your pencil will not get sharp.
Sharpened.
I will show you.
Now she is going to rotate it with. Show the handle.
See,
Now she is going to
you can
rotate
keep
it
on
with
a
the
table
handle.
and do it easily.
You can hear the sound also little bit. and the sound gets faster and faster. Once the pencil is sharp, the rotating will slow down. It will be stopped, so that you can come to know that the pencil has been sharpened.
See.
Come on, show.
Pencil has been sharp.
The pencil has been sharpened.
This is my new pencil, so I sharpened. See, it became this.
So, and you can see the storage where the
have to pull
pencil
it.
sharpenings.
Pull it, then you have to close this tightly upper part. Then you have to open this, then it will get closed.
Show the
See.
down part. See.
The dust is stored over here. In before sharpener, you saw the dust is going here and there. Then your teachers will shout, why in the classroom there is so much pencil sharpening? Pick it up, teacher will give a punishment. Why you are doing here and there? Instead of this thing, see, for one day you can do. In the last period, you can go and throw it in your dustbin, class dustbin. Then your teachers will also not
Shout, and even the kids' time is also not wasted. Going again and again to the dustbins, coming and sitting at the place and disturbing the class. So this, I think, this is very useful for the kids to use in the school. So I hope that you may buy these things for the kids. Now
you get this in local market also and any online shopping apps. So this is I tell everyone and the kids who are having lot of pencil usages, like smaller ages, like 3-4 standard, who use pencil a lot to write. They can afford to buy this. It is very easy to use and to carry also. You can carry this in this box. It comes in 2 colors. Here it is given red, and here it is given the grey, and there is one more blue color also. With the side they have shown.
Okay.
I have got the grey color.
Okay, now Shubhashri will show the next item. Now let's see which is there in a stationery item. Now
Next is my ruler. This is a flexible ruler which I got it from D-Mart. So during my new term in school, I got this from D-Mart. So this is for the max thing. It's very useful. Why? You can fold it however. I did this much. You saw, did the scale broke?
No.
See, it opens automatically.
This is a flexible scale where the kids can easily carry it to the school. Sometimes when they carry this to the school, the normal plastic scale, it might break, or somebody pushes them, also it might break. This scale is made up of rubber, so it is very flexible. The kids can easily carry. It is non-breakable. It is made of rubber.
You can fold it like this and carry it, so that it will not take more space. And the plastic scales, sometimes your partner may have the same one, and then your partners may be lost. Then they will think that you have mine, so they take it.
So there will be a misunderstanding. So in these types of scales,
here there is a page down. You can put a name sticker as your name and carry it.
Show the scale properly.
So that nobody will.
See, the scale looks like this.
Nobody will take it.
Okay.
And for the max work, it is best. You are doing like this.
And in case you need some small circles to draw a big circle, there are circle stencil types. So you can even draw the circles.
See.
If you want a wavy line, also you can use it. Show the wavy line.
See.
Show the wavy line also.
See.
Draw the wavy line and show. See, even the wavy line also can be drawn.
This is very useful.
Now show the next item which is there in your bag.
Now there are only some items remaining.
Okay, show the. Now I think we are going to see the.
This is unicorn pen. Listening to you.
I think I think girls like unicorn very much.
Everybody will like the pink color unicorn and the blue color. Most of the kids will be.
Most of the girls, not kids. Mostly the girls like unicorn.
Will be loving to buy this, and sometimes they can't buy. So I am showing here, because they don't get where to buy. So today I am putting this also link in the description. Do check it out.
Show the pen properly. Show the pen.
The unicorn.
It comes in 12 colors. So there are different colors.
I had bought it some months ago only when the new term had started. So I had.
So this is the top. This is the bottom part. Now now this is the top part where the cap open, and it is a gel unicorn pen.
You get in blue color only.
Ah.
So that I can change the cap also. I will show you how. If you don't want this cap for the covering, you can keep that cap
In the bottom,
here,
and you can put
put unicorn as a cap, and you can remove this and as well as put it to your pencils. I have a rubber hole in the pencil, so it doesn't fit. But for the normal pencils, you can put it over here and also use. You can use it for covering your pencils like this and carry.
it's a multi usage.
Multi-usage. If you don't want here, you can change.
And this
also.
unicorn pen is very well to give birthday gifts to any of the kids. Definitely the kids will enjoy writing with this pen.
Yes. And if you have 12 colors, you can change this unicorn head to the another unicorn head, and you can interchange the caps also and everything.
Okay, now what is the next item? So she's
wait.
going to write and show. Okay.
I will write my name only. See friends, how you like? I'll draw one flower and see. The flower also turns out very nicely. How was it?
It's nice. So
You
it is very smooth writing. There is no problem in writing. Okay, now we'll go to the next item.
So till now, if you have liked, then please like and subscribe. So next one is very special. It's for the kids who makes many mistakes in the notebook while writing with pen. They will be having
this
a
is
problem.
this is the new and the latest pen which the Pilot company has launched. It is called
Pilot switch on.
it is called as erasable and reactable pen. You can see it is written there. It is very useful. And one important thing about this pen, you should not use this pen for signing any check or any other legal document, and the kids are not supposed to use this pen during their exam time. They can only use during their non-exam times, because this pen has a rubber on the top of it. Now she will explain you about the pen.
And I will explain this pen. Pilot competition in Japan.
It comes from the Pilot company.
Yeah, I like all types of Pilot companies. I have one more like this also, like Pilot V5, V7, V Pro.
They all are of gel pen, and
Gel
this is
pen.
also of gel pen.
You get a refill also, which I will show you next. So wait, I will write. See, I will. What should I write? You only suggest.
You can write some name, and the handwriting is very dirty.
No.
Now she is going to rub.
See,
Some
you
mistake.
see. Oh, handwriting is very dirty.
See, she can rub. So the thing is there, the pen. The thing is there, the pen has a rubber on the top of it, and the button, the handle which is there, that is the button where you can on and off the pen.
I will show one more way how can we erase without using this also. See, I am writing like pen only. Oh, I want to write N, but I wrote it wrong. If you don't think that, you forget it. Here there's a rubber. If you forget, you think I have a normal pencil. I have this pen. Where rubber is there?
Normal rubber.
See, with normal rubber.
It even gets rubbed with the normal rubber also. The Pilot company has provided the rubber on the top of the pen. In case you are not aware about the rubber, you can even use the normal rubber to erase the writings. So friends, this pen is very useful for the kids who makes lot of mistakes and cut and everything in their book. They can very well use it, and it is of gel. It writes very smoothly, and
here they have shown also. See, write removed by friction, rewrite by luxury, bought by India by luxury.
so this is the new and the latest stationery item which has come to the market. So please friends, do not use this pen for signing on the checks or any other legal documents, and the kids should not use during the exam time, because it is erasable. Anybody can erase it with any rubber.
And if water falls, sometimes it gets erased, because if we write in our hand also it gets erased. I can show also. See, when you write, you wrote. See, it gets erased. Are you seeing it gets erased? See, from my hand it got erased. See, automatically the line got erased.
Yes, the line got erased.
See.
So it is a very good pen, but the kids can, I suggest that the kids should use this pen when they are writing any work at home.
Or school notebooks also. They
School
can,
notebooks, in tuition notebooks, anywhere they can use. But for exam, no.
please don't use for exams or legal documents. It's a warning.
Mm.
So this is very useful. It is of 0.7 mm and erasable and refillable. The friction
And you get
icon.
the refills, and this comes in how many colors?
Red, black, blue.
And green.
Green.
So you do get the refills for it. Now she'll show you the refill pack.
So no wear and tear.
Show the refill pack.
See, here it is given also colors. How many you get? Here the warning is written that don't use for
At the back
legal.
of the pack, the warning. At the back of the pack, the warning is also given. Now show the refill.
I'll show the refill. I have just bought the black color refill because in our school we use lots of black colors.
So this is the refill. It comes like this.
I can open and show you all.
This is the refill pack.
See, this is the refill.
Okay.
Now the option you how to open it is also given.
Every detail
See.
is given on the pack.
You can read it by this. See.
Okay. Now next, what are you going to show?
Next, I think the last item is remaining, which y'all kids will be liking that. This is my big eraser. Y'all
It
know,
is of cartoon character. It is of who is in that one?
I think some Elsa or Anna.
I think this rubber the girls will love the most, because girls are all interested in frozen items like Elsa, Anna, its shoes, its chair, headbands, dress, and everything.
And they like to play with them also.
So this is the rubber.
Which I got it from APMC market during my New Year school. And I have to tell you, if you have a normal simple eraser of Apsara
Or any other company, Camlin.
and you are erasing, by mistake it falls down. The behind person or side person's rubber is lost, and they have the same company rubber which you have. And then if they see, oh my, I got my rubber, so they will take it. And then what will happen? You will be not be having the rubber. And if this happens in exam time, then what will happen?
Then it is really a mess.
Yes, you don't have any other eraser. Then what to do? Writing, but I don't have eraser now. What will you do? You have to cut. Then teachers will shout, why you are cutting? You can erase. No. In this, there is an option. You can cover like this and put a name sticker so that your rubbers will never get lost. I'll show you. I'm writing. Oh, this line came. I want to erase. See, this will long last more than 2 or 3 years, because this much big to get short is not an easy.
So this rubber, the child will never miss it. Even though the small rubbers get missed, this rubber, the child, it will be easily fitted in the pencil box. They can easily carry it anywhere, and missing of this kind of rubber will not happen. So during the exam time or any other important time, the child can easily use it. So friends, these.
So, Anand, I want to tell you one thing.
She wants to tell one more thing. Okay.
This is thing. This is when ma'am tells we have to go to labs and all, and tells take a notebook and pen, and you have that. Oh, I have a notebook but pen. I will take all pencil box. But sometimes ma'am tells you blue or black. What should I do? Oh, you have a simple option like this. You can take a blue refill with you, and this pen you can carry with a notebook. And if you have a mistake, you can erase. Other pens means what? If you want to erase, you have to take the whitener also with you to change the mistakes in your notebook.
Yeah. So this
And if you
erasable pen is very useful.
Or when you are going, teacher says, come with me, we have to go to this room and do this, do that. And then you have to carry a big pencil box, and it is hell of a job. Then if you want the blue refill, you can just remove this and put the blue refill and use it. It's very easy. So these all were
So friend, these are all her stationery items.
Yeah, these all were my stationery items.
Hope you all liked it.
Comment me.
Please subscribe, like and comment our
Comment me and click
channel.
the bell icon. Comment
Okay.
which one you like the most.
Most.
And do buy the products which the links I will give in the description. This much for today.
Okay, bye.